Well, that puts the damper on my crafting. Definitely not supposed to be able to put your finger in a tire. Welcome to another Whoops Wednesday. Let's see what my struggles for the week were this time.
Shit.
Sometimes life throws you a wrench and then sometimes you cause it yourself, like when I shot the peach into oblivion and never found it again. Other times it might not be necessarily a blooper or something bad happened, but definitely something unexpected, like me minding my own business right up until... Life is very good at keeping me on my toes, especially when I am as clumsy as I am. But we have fun here. And no matter what life throws at me,
I don't have... Damn bird.
I just keep on going. And you can too.